Roblox keeps logging you out on your iPhone. This usually happens because of account issues, app bugs, or network problems. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Roblox from logging you out. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and try airplane mode on and off. And after that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for unauthorized logins. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone and then log in again. Now, tap the three dots below right. Then scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on the settings. Then tap security. Now scroll all the way down. Here you will see the login devices under where you're logged in option. Now log out of all other devices from here. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Press and hold on the Roblox app and tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App, and again tap Delete. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon, type Roblox. Here you can see the Roblox app, and then tap on it. Then you will see the install icon. Tap on it and wait for a while and it will be installed. And after installing, tap Open and now try to log in again. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.